Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to update your custom firmware PS3 with Rebug installed to the latest version of Rebug. So this PS3 right here, I haven't used it in quite a while. It's got 4.83 on here, and of course I want to update it to the latest version, which is 4.84. So what you guys want to do first, you can leave your PlayStation 3 turned on, but make sure you go and get your PlayStation 3's USB stick and go and connect this to your computer, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay guys, so I will leave a link to the Rebug website in the description. Now remember, you must already have a previous version of the Rebug custom firmware installed. It doesn't really matter if it's CEX or REX or DEX. Mine is CEX, I'm pretty sure, but we're going to update it to 4.84.1 anyway. So you guys want to do, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the web page, but here are the download links at the bottom. So you need to pick one of these. You can either get the Rex edition or the DREX edition. I would probably recommend getting the Rex edition, and then you can swap it if you want to later. So what we're going to do is just download this. So just click on that and it will actually download a zip file for you. And we also need to get the Rebug ToolBox. Now this is the latest package file, so we can install it. So also click on that and that will begin downloading too. Now once we've got these two files, we want to just go to our downloads folder. And in our downloads folder, we will be able to find them in here. So this one, pretty simple, drag and drop that on the root of our PS3's USB drive. And I've already got one, so I'm just going to replace it. And once we've done that, we can press the delete key and remove that from our computer. Next, we need to double click on this zip file. We need to double click on the text file, and we just need to copy and paste this link right here. So we've got to copy and paste this into a Google search engine or just into an internet browser. So let's just close out this, close out this. Let's go back. Let's just paste this. So if we were to just right click and paste and go this up here, what it's going to do is just download our update file. Now this is 200 megabytes, so maybe wait about 5 minutes just for this to download. And once it is done, go back to our downloads folder and find that in here. So what we have to do next is right click, rename it, and you want to just select all of these numbers here, go up to the updat part and just backspace on it, and then select this part in front of the PS3 part and backspace on that. We should then have this file, ps3 updat.pup, right click and select copy, go onto your PS3's USB. Now you will need to create some folders for this, so right click, new folder, call it PS3, inside of this, right click, new folder, call it update, inside of this is where we will right click and just paste it in. So as you can see, I've already got it, so yeah, I don't really need to copy it again. But now we can disconnect our USB, put it back into our PlayStation, and I will show you guys how to install this update. Okay, so once we are back, the first thing we can do is go to the system update, go to update via storage media, and this is where we can install the latest version, which is 4.84.1. So we're just going to press X for OK, and then we just need to wait for this to install. So it shouldn't really take that long. Just accept these agreements and then just press X on start. And now we're just going to have to wait. Okay, so once it completes, your PlayStation 3 is actually going to restart, so just give it a couple of seconds to do that, and then it should do the second part of the update. Okay guys, so once it restarts, we're just going to be on the main home screen like this, and as you can see, it's also reset my theme, so let's just go ahead and have a look. Let's go down into the system settings, and then scroll down to the system information. And here you go guys, version 4.84. Now I was spoofing the firmware, but I'm pretty sure we should be on Rebug. There is one thing we need to do. We need to go into Package Manager, we need to go to Install Package Files, Standard, and we need to just install our latest Rebug ToolBox. So for some reason there's two lots of everything on here, but let's just install this one. It will be the top one. Just press X on it and then press X to install. Okay, so here it is, Rebug ToolBox. We can go ahead and press X to open this up. And there you go, as you can see this works, and we can pretty much do everything that we would do in here. So next I'm probably just going to sign it into my PlayStation Network account just to prove this works on multiplayer. So if I just go over to PlayStation Network, let's just go and sign up. I haven't actually signed in on this PlayStation yet, so let's just use an existing account. And now I can just put in my email address and my password. And now guys, now we should be able to sign in. I think this account might actually be banned on PlayStation Network. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to sign into it anyway and just prove to you guys, there you go, we're online. I'm pretty sure this is banned from like Call of Duty or something. And I've got tons of framework requests. Oh my god, what the heck. But yeah, anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. That is how you update your PlayStation 3 to the latest version if you're already on Rebug and you just want to get the latest version so you can play online. And this does actually fix quite a few error codes. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.